recording?
Yeah. Loves! Ay! Sorry. Sorry po. Thank you.
Like a bumper car, this one.
Correct. It's okay to to bump.
We prefer this one, the mountain lake.
Yeah.
This one, other side. This way, to your side. Yellow.
Oh my God. So big.
Oh my goodness.
Ay, oo, love. Have a shark here.
Huh?
Have a shark.
Blue, green water. These mountains, crystal.
My love. Bigyan na. Bigyan na.
Metal, white.
Yeah. Alam, my love. My love. My love.
Look at the little fish.
Correct.
Fish wedding.
Baka shark yan.
Fish Daisy, look.
Yeah.
Fish, look.
Wow, love, super pretty. Ito.
Fish wedding.
Love, I put my phone here, oh. To my life vest.
You wanna go?
Where?
All the way? That's the lagoon.
I'm scared. How minutes ba to, love?
Time, we just came, huh?
Correct. She never say how minutes or how many hours.
I don't know. I think he said 40 minutes. No. That's 30 minutes. Do it 30
Love.
minutes?
Yeah. Here, oh. This side, love.
This is, what is this? Big lagoon or Chico Lagoon?
Baka, I think so. Love, this way.
Huh? This way? You
Oh.
don't want to go over there?
Yeah. Because nobody people, only us.
Want to jump in right near the water?
No.
I'm gonna go in.
Love, ano ka ba?
What about?
I'm scared.
What about?
Uy, my love naman! Ano ba? My love!
I'm in, look.
You scared me. The kayak is going to,
It's still recording. Look at that. Look it.
Wow! Tito Johnny.
I want to use the goggles, no?
My love naman, careful naman, Tito.
What are you saying, Tito?
Tito, I'm scared when
Stay
you...
here. I'm gonna pick up this one.
My love, careful.
Tita, look. Look at me.
My love, mag-life vest ka. Mag-life vest ka. Ang tigas ng ulo mo talaga.
Look.
Mm. Mag-life vest ka nga. Ang kulit mo naman, Tito. Tito Johnny, you need to use ang life vest. Don't go so far. My love! My love! Ano ba? My love!
You can't see anything, love.
Oo.
Nothing. I don't see shit. Come on, you wanna see? Record me only.